All the way down, filling all the available space, please. All right.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy!
Howdy! Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We couldn't have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on my train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Oh my God, sure, Goofy. I think I can help you out with that.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Right this way, folks. Watch your step. There you go, nice hat. Don't want to blow away. Hold on to it. There you go. Welcome, welcome.
Come on.
Go for it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park?
Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
Hiya, Goof.
Hey, Mick and Mim.
Oh, be sure you take good care of our friends.
Gosh, they're with me. What could possibly go wrong? Well, back to work.
Oh, no! I must have hit that track switch.
Goofy, wait.
This is all my fault.
Oh no, it's jumping the track.
Minnie, let's get that runaway train. Stampede! They're running wild!
Ooh, let's head him off at the pass. Don't let him get away.
Not a chance! Uh-oh.
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Hot dog! There they are!
Yoo-hoo! We'll be right
Oh boy!
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now!
Hurry, Mickey! Hurry!
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Welcome, dancers, welcome! Come, come, come! Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces! It's so nice to see you! Come on in, don't be shy, that's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready, and... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's...
Turn it off! No! The switch!
Mickey! Hold it!
We did it! Let's eat!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it.
We've had one crazy ride, but with you by my side, the stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us now.
What's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal